Welcome. In this video, I will quickly help you to answer the question, is Fortnite on Android? Quick answer is yes. The Fortnite game is indeed available for you to play on Android devices. The caveat is that you won't be able to get it directly from Play Store, so you'll need to know a little workaround for that, which is not even that much of a workaround. You'll just need to get the game installed from, well, their Epic Games website rather than Play Store. Anyway, in order to get the game, get the Fortnite, just type in the Fortnite APK query or Epic Games Store APK query to the search bar, should it be Google or otherwise. Then be attentive and look for the official Fortnite.com website. Then from this page, simply download and install the Epic Games Store and, well, proceed with whatever instructions you'll see on your display. We have a separate video on how to download and install Fortnite on Android, so reference that video if you need any assistance with the process. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.